Hello. Today we will demonstrate one of GreenBandhu's very popular product. It is called the Boxee bag. As you can see, it looks like a box because it's sturdy and there is a metal frame inside it. There is a bag-like material outside the frame which wraps it around and helps to contain the material that you put in here. So usually people use a traditional plastic bin for storing material, all kinds of material, waste materials or clothes, e-waste. However, a plastic bin wears and tears and gets damaged over a period of time. But a Boxee bag or a Boxee bin is a much more durable and long-lasting container to help you store your waste and easily transport it. So I'll just tell you how it can be used. The Boxee bag has 6 sides. As you can see, there is 1, 2, 3, 4 and the bottom and the back side. There are 6 sides. You put the waste through the top, so there is a buckle, so you remove the strap and there is a way to put your waste material. So you can put all kinds of waste, if you want to collect your old clothes or e-waste or plastic bottles, whatever you want to do. Any kind of dry waste you can put into the Boxee bag. And once it gets filled, you can remove it without having to tumble it over or turn it over, because there is an easy mechanism where one of the sides can be removed. So I'll just unbuckle these two here, and you see the entire one side can be easily removed. So I have a few extra buckles here which I remove it. The moment I do that from all the sides, this flap falls down and the entire material can be removed in an easy manner. You see there is a metal frame which is a foldable frame, and now I'll show you how we can assemble and disassemble the Boxee bag. So the Boxee bag comes with a foldable, detachable frame which has the following parts. You have the top and the bottom halves, and these two halves need to be connected with these 4 rods. So I'll show you how we can set it up in a very easy manner. So you can put the bottom half on the ground, and then you have the 4 rods here. You can just put it through the protrusion part of the frame, bottom frame, and nicely get into those protruding parts of the frame. And then you take the top part and you place it through the holes of the legs, the 4 legs of the 4 rods, and gently you put it through the holes with equal force on all the 4 sides. So this is exactly how you assemble the frame of a Boxee bag. Similarly, if you have to remove it, you just have to apply some force to remove the top half, and then remove the 4 rods and all the 4 sides, and that's exactly how you can disassemble the frame of the Boxee bag. So let me put it back for you. So it's a few seconds job to set it up, and we're ready to go now. You can put the Boxee bag on top of it, and we'll be ready to start using it. So now when the frame is ready, I'll show you how we can insert or wrap the frame with the Boxee bag. So you have your material, the bag. So what I usually do is I just keep the frame on the bottom and then I hold the sides of the bag. There's two sides here and two sides on the other side. You just have to place the four ends in equal distance manner so it fits in and slides through the frame without much effort. So you can see now the entire thing has gone in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just turn it around. And once I've done that, I have all the parts inside it. Yeah. And then next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to put this flap over it. So before I do that, there is a way to tighten up the frame with these straps, which is on the bag. So there are straps on the bag with which you can nicely and properly tighten up the bag. Okay, so there are two straps here, two straps on each of the sides. The moment I do that, you will see how nicely the bag will look. So it's easy to just strap it. It here, and same thing you need to repeat on all the sides. Now put this top part around it. Okay, and we have these buckles which you can tighten it up with that. The moment I've done this, I'm going to put it upright, so my opening is on the top and I can buckle this up. So as you see, it's a very easy way to set up your Boxee bag with a foldable frame. You can carry it wherever you want, on the back of your bike or in the car, and just take your Boxee bag with your frames, unfolded frame, and go set it up wherever you want to. Put your material in there, and once you dispose of your material, you can again unassemble it and take it back to your warehouse or wherever you want to store your Boxee bags.